2000 with a 2010 front end. This camera don't give it justice. This thing is a beast. Look how high it is. What's the lift on it? 12-inch lift. Beast. V10 Ford Excursion. And the massive wheels, tires. It's just a beautiful car. So it's got Magnaflow Magnapacks on it. I want you guys to let me know what you think. Should he have kept this sound, which I don't like, as you guys can hear it. Let's do I don't think it does not have that oomph to it. You know what I mean, guys? It's just raspy. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. There's no deepness to it. All right, guys. So we showed you what it sounded like before. It's a 2000 Ford Excursion with a 2010 front end. Look at this thing. Massive 12-inch lift. We can still fit it. So if you guys want anything that's lifted, get worked on, we can take care of it. That's our new bay here that we did it with. So as you guys can see, look at this thing. It is massive. What we got done on it. So it's got all this factory pipe on it. We didn't touch any of this. That's where the cats go. So he brought it in like that. What we did is put an X pipe on it after, and then put 2.5-inch pipe into two CARVEN Rs. There'll be a link in the description for him. And then just dumped it. He probably will bring it back and we'll run the tailpipes on later on. But for right now, we just dumped it for him, as you can see right there. And there'll be a link in the description for him, and a link in the description for the X pipe too, guys. Okay? There's a 2.5-inch pipe, and it's dumped. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you hear it. But you can see this thing is massive, and it looks phenomenal now. Look at that, beautiful. And CARVENs always don't disappoint. They always sound really nice on these trucks. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear. The ride height on this thing is amazing, guys. Look at that. And they're so hard to come by these days, these cars. The Ford Excursions, especially the V10s. So, and like it says, size matters. Let me know in the comments, does it? Go ahead. Oh, so much better. Wow, big difference. Sound decibels? 114. Again? I love it. It's so mean. Go ahead and back it up. So much better than these Magnapacks. Magnapacks sound good on certain things, but not on anything like this. They're just not strong enough. They made it sound really bad. Freaking tank, man. It looks it, now it sounds like it too. I love it. Do we get a thumbs up? Do you like it? Yes. Great. Appreciate it. I have to back up so much to get it in the view. It's awesome. That's what it's supposed to sound like. Take it off-roading next. Massive 12-inch lift. Massive tires. Beautiful. This is absolutely magnificent. You guys here on the inside. what you call ginormous there, man. That's a ginormous sound right there. Wow, that's amazing. Enjoy, guys.